In today's video, I'll show you how to create a cut text effect in Canva, a creative way to make your designs look dynamic and professional. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. Click Add a heading, delete the placeholder text and type in your first letter. For this example, let's use the letter D. Resize and adjust the font until it matches the style you want. Now, duplicate that text box and in the copy, replace the letter with C. You should now have both D and C on your canvas. Select the first letter, go to Effects and choose Shadow. Slide the direction all the way to 0 so the shadow sits directly behind the letter. Then change the shadow color to match your background. This creates the illusion of a cutout. Next, bring the letter C close to the letter D so they almost touch. Go to Position and send the letter C backward so it sits behind the D. To make the effect seamless, reselect the letter D and adjust the transparency and offset sliders in the Effects panel. This lets you fine-tune how deep and realistic the cut text effect looks. And that's it! You've just made a cut text effect in Canva that you can use for logos, posters, or any creative project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Canva tips.